In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to hide sold-out products on Shopify, streamlining your online store and improving the overall shopping experience for your customers. We'll begin our tasks by accessing the Products section. To reach this destination, you'll need to first log into your Shopify admin. Once logged in, navigate to Products, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Now that you are on the Products page, it is time to select the product that you wish to hide. Click on the title or name of the product, which will take you to the specific product's detailed dashboard. This is where you can make numerous changes to how this product operates within your online shop. Our next step involves changing the product's status. In Shopify, it's pretty easy to change a product's visibility status from active to draft. You'll find a status section in the top right corner of your product dashboard. This is where you will see if the product is active, draft, or archived. If your product is active, you will click on the Active dropdown and switch it to Draft. This action effectively hides the product from your online store's visitors, making it invisible until you decide to reactivate it. Be sure not to rush away just yet, because there's one more crucial step before your task is complete: saving the change. After changing your product's status to draft, find a Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page, and click on it. This step is critically important because if you fail to save the changes you've made, the product will remain visible on your online store. For even more control over the product's visibility, you can also uncheck the online store channel for the product. To perform this task, search for the Sales Channels and Apps section, which you should find on the same product dashboard. Inside this section is a Manage button. Clicking this will open up a window where you can select or unselect the specific channels where your product appears. Simply uncheck the box next to Online Store and then hit Done. Remember to save all changes you have made again before you exit the page. And voila! You now have the knowledge required to hide your sold-out products successfully on Shopify. This useful skill will allow you to keep your customers' shopping experience as smooth and frustration-free as possible.